Hey, what's up, everybody? John Stewart here, owner of the Lake Lodge at Grand Lake of the Cherokees, and co-host with my buddies Danny and Kyle of the Idle Zone Syndicate podcast that you can hear on Thursday nights through the winter, 7 p.m. on the Idle Zone Syndicate YouTube channel. Check us out, like us, subscribe. That would be awesome. Anyway, I'm out here fishing. Caught quite a few fish today, and there is a very distinct pattern. Anywhere, I hope you can hear me. I'm kind of near a bridge, but this is good all over the lake. Anywhere that I found this, you were going to catch a fish. Merry Christmas.